Hey everybody, this video is about upcoming dividend payments for the first quarter of 2024. We have 5 stocks that are upcoming ex-dividend. Before I continue, I must say this is not financial advice. You must do your own research before doing any investing. I'm Australian. I invest in the Australian stock market or the ASX. If you do not invest in the Australian stock market, this information might not be helpful to you. Now let's get to the video. First company, Auswide Bank Limited, stock code ABA. Current price per share is $4.59, 52 high $5.98, 52 low $4.40. The first dividend payment for 2024 is 11 cents per share. Dividend yield is at 9.4% at 100% franked. You must own these shares by the end of the day trading on the 7th of the 3rd, 2024 to get paid that dividend, and you get paid that dividend on the 22nd of the 3rd, 2024. This dividend payment is roughly 10 cents less than what it was in the previous couple of years, but it still is 100% franked, so you don't pay any tax on this stock because the company has paid the government for you. IV Group Limited, stock code IGL. Current price per share is $2.23, 52-week high $2.75, 52-week low $1.69.5. Their first dividend payment for 2024 is 9.5 cents. Dividend yield is at 8.1% at 100% franked. The ex-dividend date is on the 13th of the 3rd, 2024, and the pay date is on the 12th of the 4th, 2024. So far, they are on pace to meet their total dividend payment for last year, which was 18 cents. Third company, Macmillan Shakespeare Limited, stock code MMS. Current price per share is $21.88. 52-week high $22.75. 52-week low $13.70.5. The first dividend payment for 2024 will be 76 cents per share. Dividend yield is at 6.4% and 100% franked. The ex-dividend date is on the 7th of the 3rd, 2024, and their pay date is on the 22nd of the 3rd, 2024. So far, they are on track to beat their last year payment, which was $1.24. Fourth company, Woodside Energy Group Limited, stock code WDS. Current price per share is $30.85, 52-week high $39.03, 52-week low $28.76. The first dividend payment for 2024 will be 91.5 cents. Dividend yield is at 6.1% at 100% franked. The ex-dividend date is on the 7th of the 3rd, 2024, and the pay date is on the 4th of the 4th, 2024. So far, it's looking like they will pay out less than last year. Last year, they paid out $3.39. Fifth company, Yancoal Australia Limited, stock code YAL. Current price per share is $6.16. 52-week high $6.96. 52-week low $4.35. The first payment for 2024 will be 32.5 cents. Dividend yield is at 11.3% at 100% franked. The ex-dividend date is on the 12th of the 3rd, 2024, and the pay date is on the 30th of the 4th, 2024. So far, the dividend payment is less than last year. Last year, they paid $1.07. In fifth position is Auswide Bank Limited, stock code ABA. If I brought 1,089 shares, it would cost me $4,998.51. Working off the 11 cents per share in dividends, I'll get in return $119.79. In first position is Yancoal Australia Limited, stock code YAL. If I brought 811 shares, it will cost me $4,995.76. Working off the 32.5 cents per share in dividends, I'll get in return $263.57.5. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe so you get them notifications every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.